Amarok. We're a new brand in Taiwan for airsoft parts. We produce the 250 rounds mid-cap just like that. We have two types. It's type 1A, type B. You can see we have different colors. We have black, green, and 10 colors can choose. On the top plate, we have green, black, golden, yellow golden, blue, and purple, red can choose. Our mid-cap is thick, fast fitting, and easy to shooting. So you can see over there, they are trying the testing. It's very smoothly for shooting. For this mag, also you can changeable for the base plate. It's Ranger plate. And this one is flat plate. If you want this one, you can change it easier by yourself. So this mag is our new product, just launched this year.